Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Burgess Hill, really close to our factory and show centre, to share with you this 4.2 by 3.1 Kite pre-designed, very standard building, one of our pre-designed buildings. You've got the half-drop window in the side there instead of the full drop. The client wanted that, you'll see why inside, and then a lovely big frontage here with the aluminium doors. Now, actually the client originally just wanted a one-person office. This is way too big. I advised him for the smaller J, but actually the decision to go with this is more about future-proofing. It's got him out of the house and opening up a large room in the house to a family room, but also this could be a separate kids den or something in the future because of the size. The big aluminium doors that we have on the Kite, 1.8 meters wide, the new shear line mechanism inside I really like. It does mean there's a single handle, so you always know what hand door to go to first, which I think is a nice little touch. As you can see, nearly half of the front is now open with this particular 4.2 size. All the usuals, MTX to the front and the left, cement board to the rear and the right. Zero maintenance, no timber outside, 10-year guarantee, and a 50-year life expectancy. Really lovely colour on the inside here. This is Farrow and Ball chromaty on the walls with the timeless ceiling. This is a lovely contrast, and on that V200 it really pops and has a quality about it. So a couple of little seats in there at the moment, and along with the main reason of it, which is the desk, TV on the wall for future proofing, and then that half drop window where we've actually then put the heater there, which is a really nice option to kind of utilise the space. Still maybe have some pictures go up and bits like that, but for now I really like that, and the contrast with that chromaty, the anthracite and the timeless, I think is really nice. Even gone for an integrated blind in the little fan light here. That's not the most cost-effective solution, but it's a very tidy option. To the right of that, we've done a little gate and panel, all colour matched in, to allow a little dumping ground. Every garden needs it. Because of that tree, we had some root considerations. We had to bring it away. So there you go. It's a really lovely Kite. I love these buildings. They're so obvious. The pricing is online. It's really straightforward for us to do. There's a lot of elements that are standardised to keep that cost down, less than 1% waste, and projects I'm really proud of. So there you go. It's 4.2, 3.1 Kite pre-design. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share what we do.